Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, and today we're doing a barrel test on a 10 horsepower Seahorse. It's restored number 88. It's a 1955 10 horsepower QD16. It's for Ricky. Here's the barrel test on her. I got a light restore done on her. Replaced the magneto, coils, condensers, points, spark plug wires, boots, new starter rope, starter handle, rebuilt the carb, rebuilt the gear case. She runs great. I've been running her, so this is going to be a warm start. Let's see what we can do. She runs great. Let's put the hood on her and see what she runs like all dressed up. Alright, I got the hood on her. Let's give her a crank. See how she runs with her cover on. Runs great. She idles down really well. We'll see how we do on the barrel test. That's my next project. A 58 Johnson 3 horse. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.